Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete TikTok messages from both sides all at once. So guys, if you want to delete the TikTok messages from both sides all at once, here I will show you how can you do this or whether you can do this or not. So guys, here I am sending a message. Here you can see this. Once the message is sent, if you press and hold the message, here you will get the option to delete for all or delete for me. So guys, if you tap on delete for all, then the message will be deleted from both sides. So guys, you can see this. And if you want to delete all the messages from both sides all at once, then there will be no option to do this. So guys, as you can see this, if I select this message, then there is no way to select the other messages. So guys, you can see this, you have to simply delete the message one by one, and if you delete all the chat, it will be deleted from your side but not from other side. So guys, you can see this, if you slide any chat, here you can see this, and if you tap on delete button, then the chat will be deleted from your side but not from the other side. So guys, basically there is no option to delete the chat from both sides all at once, but you can delete a single message at a time from both sides. So guys, you can see this, simply tap on delete for all and then the message will be deleted from both sides. So guys, in this way you can also delete messages from both sides on TikTok. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.